Now let's turn to how you can use GitClear to run experiments to ensure that your team is living up to its potential. Kind of like Darwinian evolution, the best way to optimize the long-term health of your dev team is to regularly experiment. Your imagination is really the only thing that limits the types of experiments that you could be running and tracking with something like the velocity tab. Some other types of experiments that you might try to run could include checking how much gets done with pair or mob programming versus solo programming. You could test how much gets done if you let developers pick their own tasks versus being assigned tasks. You could check how line impact changes if you periodically take time to pay down your tech debt. Most any sufficiently incentivized manager could concoct at least 10 experiments to test different strategies for keeping their team engaged. Or if you email bill@getclear.com, I'll send you a list of popular experiments to try out. As you run the experiments, you can regularly check into the velocity tab on GitClear to inform whether the experiment should become policy or whether it should just get reverted like a bad commit. The more of these incremental improvements to line impact or developer happiness that you discover, the more that your team becomes engaged and strategic with how their time will be spent.